Heyo homeowners, DIY and professional landscapers. Today we're going to talk about safety both for yourself and for the property that you are working on. Behind me I've got a house with huge bay windows right down here that lead right into the basement. Now to crack one of those I'm guessing is going to be pretty expensive. So what I've done to mitigate that is we've put plywood up against the house, and in between the house and the plywood we've got some moving blankets to protect the house and the windows from getting scratched or getting dinged or anything like that. Hopefully from breaking them. Not just hopefully, we're going to be really careful. But also because we're going to be throwing this pile of river rock down in there, what we are doing is we're not just chucking it at these windows because, you know, people in glass houses and whatnot, we don't want to mess up that, but we also don't want to throw one into this unprotected area of the window. The plywood helps with that, but also you can see here these green shoots. And what these shoots are going to do is we're going to put the river rock into the shoots and let it carry down into the trench. And then we're going to move those shoots along so that the river rock is just getting filled in just like you would at a normal construction site with concrete. The reason that we're taking so much precaution is that we want the customer to feel safe and we don't want to damage anything and cut into our bottom line. So if you're a homeowner, it should be obvious that you don't want to damage your house when you're doing your landscaping. You don't want to throw rocks through your windows. And if you are a landscaper, it should be equally important to you not to damage your customer's house. All right, that's all from me today. Be safe when you're out there doing your landscaping. And if you need help with your landscaping, I've got a little gift for you in the link below this video, or by hitting the QR code in the corner with your phone, you can get my step-by-step guide for doing your landscaping, whether that is design, installation, inspiration, or maintenance. So go ahead and pick that up and use it on your next projects. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video. All right, we got the river rock in over here, and it's time to remove these plywood pieces covered in moving blankets. Let's see how they come out. I'm gonna start at one end, pull it out, rock it back, up and out. Oh yeah. So let's move that. Get this up and over. Okay, sweet, here's one. There's two. All right, you can see the river rock is in. The windows and siding are safe, and that was our main goal. So the big takeaway is to protect the customer's property or your own property if you're working on your own house. Just a question for the chat. Are there instances or times where you have damaged your own property or your customer's property? And if so, what could you have done to prevent it? What would have been something helpful for you? Could you have used chutes like we did in this video to funnel river rock or material down to a place where it was more easily accessible instead of just tossing it off a cliff? Or could you have guarded a window or vinyl like we did in this video to also protect the property or something that was valuable or important? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video.